Hey guys, welcome to the math class with Elisha. Please consider subscribing for more of these videos. Thank you.
Hello guys, you are welcome back to this channel. In today's video, we're gonna be solving WASSCE 2024 for mathematics, and this is question 1. It says that Adama rode a bicycle for 45 minutes and walked for an hour to cover a total distance of 10.4 kilometers. If the riding speed is 3 times the walking speed, find correct to two significant figures: the A. Walking speed, B. Distance traveled by riding. So from the question, we can see that the riding speed is 3 times the walking speed. So we can say that let walking speed equals x. Then the riding speed is going to be 3 times the walking speed. So 3 times x. Also, from the question, the riding time is 45 minutes. But from the question, we have units such as an hour and in kilometers. And so the best way is to convert minute into hour. And we are going to change 45 minutes into an hour. And so we are going to divide 45 by 60 because 60 minutes make an hour. Then we are going to get this to be 3 on 4 in terms of hours. Then again, the working time is 1 hour. 1 hour. Then from the question 2, we can see a total distance of 10.4 kilometers. So total distance covered (10.4 kilometers). A part of the question says that we have to calculate for the walking speed. Now the walking speed is x, so we need to find the value of x. But we know from physics that speed equals distance over time taken. Therefore, distance is going to be speed times time. So what we are going to do is that we are going to derive an equation in terms of x, that is in terms of distance, so that the addition of these two distance, I mean distance covered by walking and then the distance covered by riding, the addition of these two distances is going to be equal to the total distance covered, which is 10.4 kilometers. And so riding distance is going to be the speed taken during the riding times the time taken. And so the riding speed is 3x and the riding time is 45 minutes, which is 3 on 4 hours. So times 3 on 4 hours. And this is going to be 9 on 4x. So we have the riding distance to be 9 on 4x. What about the walking distance? Walking distance is going to be the speed taken during walking times the time taken during the time of walking. And so the speed taken during the time that he was walking is x, and the time taken is 1 hour. And so we are going to multiply it by 1, and this is going to be x. So we have two distances. The sum of these two distances should be equal to the total distance covered. And so you have 9 on 4x plus x is equal to 10.4. The rest is about basic mathematics. We multiply 4 by each term, and so we are going to derive 9x plus 4x is equal to 41.6. That is when we multiply 10.4 by 4. 9x plus 4x, this is going to be 13x is equal to 41.6. We divide x by 13, divide 41.6 by 13 as well, and we are going to get x to be 3.2. The unit of s is kilometers per hour because s is the walking speed, and so we are going to add kilometers per hour. And so this is the walking speed. Having this, we have successfully solved A part of the question. What about B part of the question? B part of the question. B part of the question says that we are to find the distance traveled by riding. From the question, riding distance is 9 on 4x. We know s to be 3.2. So we are going to multiply 9 on 4 by 3.2 to get the distance traveled by riding. And so this is going to be 9 on 4 times x. But then x equals 3.2. And so 9 on 4 times 3.2. And this is going to give us 7.2, and the unit is kilometers because we are talking about distance.
Guys, thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing.